So I chose supply chain management because it's really been in the news lately in the past couple of years with the pandemic. A lot of exciting new jobs opening up and a lot of problems needed to be solved.
It's such an exciting major where, it's a way to help people, but you're doing it in a way where you're still on that business side and you're trying to solve those problems in order to see a positive result and outcome.
I learned that there are so many different industries that you could work in the supply chain world. So I could work in tech or industry or pharmacy or beauty or academia. So it was really great that I wasn't stuck in a certain field.
We look at supply chain management from a theoretical sense, but also a very practical sense. Every single company out there has a supply chain. We like to talk about what that supply chain would look like and how it would exist in a perfect world. So we take what could happen in the perfect world and we look at that in a practical sense and try to figure out how we can get as close to that perfect world as possible.
Fox really focuses on experiential learning, so my classes are a lot of case studies and field trips and speakers. So we're not just looking at slides, we're really understanding and able to relate that to our work. Fox has student professional organizations, so our supply chain management organization has a lot of professional development workshops, and they allowed us to see an inside view into the major and the industry itself. And we have a lot of opportunities with different career expos and student networking nights, and we have opportunities to meet people in the industry.
We have the Fill Up Port next to us. We have a lot of other supply chain activity hubs around the campus, which really makes it a lot easier for us to bring those industry experts into our classes as guest speakers, take our students to facility tours, and I believe it just gives them this immense opportunity to meet and network with future employers.
My overall experience here at Fox has been amazing. My fellow classmates have been nothing but supportive. The faculty is world-class. They're always there, even out of the classroom to help. Fox has so many different opportunities to get involved in, and really, I am not the person without my past few years here at Fox.